Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a table style on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a table style on your WPS spreadsheet mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So I just need a table style for entering the mark or value, something like that. So first of all, click on this. First select the rows and columns that you just want to enter and make a table style. So then just click on this icon and scroll down on the home section, and the bottom section you will see option called table style. Click this, and here you will see a table style option. If you just need a header, you can just choose. You can see the preview on the bottom section. I just need a first column to look like this, and if you just banded columns, last columns, and total rows, and which that you just needed, you just can easily modify here, and you can also see the preview. Then select the color which you just need to suit it. For an example, just choosing a violet color. Click OK. Now you can find it automatically create that. If you just need more options, just click same thing, click on the table style, click on the row and update it. This is how you just create a table style on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.